This is the elevator here at the Candlewood Streets here in Merrillville, Indiana. And we have an Otis. I'm not sure what model. Either Series 5 or Indiana 5. Series 5 Indiana. I like this door frame style. Here's the elevator. Where am I going? Here it is. Probably comes the one on. Yep. It's all good. Yes, I'm going up. And it's a Series 5. Yay! Here we go. Plop leveling. That doesn't work. Max capacity, we don't know. No idea what those key switches are. There we go. Ha! That was really weird. That was really weird. That was the strangest thing I've ever seen an elevator do. But it's a nice elevator. Okay, that was really weird. Series 5. My guess is capacity is 2,500. Surface camera looks like a beat up. Nice painting. Then there goes the elevator. That was the weirdest thing ever. But anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.